Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Wednesday and it's Thursday for you guys, and we have some shopping to do. Okay, I bought a bench from Homegoods for the studio, and I'm looking for a bench cushion today. So that's the plan for today. We're gonna find this cushion. We're gonna find some pillows. We're gonna go shopping. Oh, look at that lighting. Oh, girl, shine like a diamond, honey. If you guys are new to my channel, I recently just moved into a new place, so I am decorating and doing the whole shebang. Okay, so it's been a lot of fun. So if you like content like that, don't forget to subscribe. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've seen it all already. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Iamsherikab. I originally wanted to get a love seat I found online at Ikea. And when I went up there, they didn't have it in stock anymore. And I was so upset because it was a perfect price. But he said that it was a discontinued item, and that's why it was so cheap. But they didn't have any more in stock. They didn't have the color that I wanted. So I said, okay, well, maybe I can kind of dress up a bench. So I went online. I seen a really cute bench on Serena and Lily, and it was like $900. So I say, well, no God. So I just, you know, do my little normal thing, and I found this bench right here. I found this bench at HomeGoods for $249. And the funny thing about this bench is Arvin has the exact same bench. So I thought that was so cute. But y'all know I told y'all before, that's my best friend, okay? So Arvin, I see you. We see each other. But yeah, so I want to find some pillows and a bench cushion to kind of cozy it up. I did look up a few online. They were a little on the pricier side, so maybe I'll get that at another time. So for right now, I'll just go find an indoor-outdoor cushion. So we're gonna go to At Home and we're gonna go to Lowe's. So roll with me. Look how gorgeous these pillows are. I hope y'all can hear me because I have on my mask. But this pillow is, oh my gosh, look at this. This is so pretty. Gosh. This one, and then they have this one. It's Allen plus Roth, and they have like the little tassels on the side. This is just too cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. I'm at home. I love these clothes. They're so good. Oh, so good. Brown. Y'all, don't this look like cement, but it's plastic. Cute. $30. here's the bench. Y'all already know how it looks. But if you guys are thinking about purchasing this bench, get you some seat cushions, especially if you plan on sitting in it all the time like I am, because I'll be sitting here all the time. This is my very first studio, and I've been on YouTube for 3 years, and this is the first time that I've had a studio. So I want this space to be very cozy. I have 2 channels. If you guys didn't know that, I have a mukbang channel and I have my lifestyle channel. So I'll be using this room a lot. So I want it to be very comfortable. And also when I'm not filming on YouTube, I can also use it for, you know, when my friends come over, we can sit in here, chill, have drinks, watch some shows. I got a little TV in here. I'm thinking about keeping it in here permanently, but for right now, I just have it in here, you know, while I'm doing my nails or whatever. So I did find a cream cushion. Let me show y'all. So here's the cream cushion. This is an indoor-outdoor cushion. So we're just gonna, I found these pillows here at Homegoods. Now I would prefer the feather-filled pillows, because the feather-filled pillows, just the pillows look very full. It's not, the fabric on it is not as slouchy, because I don't like that. And y'all know I like to do the dip in the middle of my pillows, but this one is not like that. This is the only one that I could find that was this size, because I wanted to give the bench a little height. So I knew that I wanted to go with larger pillows, but like I say, I would prefer the feather-filled pillows just so I can do my little dip in the middle. But it's okay, maybe I'll come across the feather-filled ones at a later time. Let me get the other one. And I bought these from Homegoods, of course. This is what it looks like right now. But then, you know, we still got the gap on the side, so I'm gonna take my Vince Komodo throw from off my bed, because I don't have one for this area yet, because I didn't know I was gonna have this gap here. But we'll just use this for right now, just so I can show you guys what it would look like with the throw over the bench. This is it. You could either have them straight like this, or you can try to turn them a little, just depending on what you like. And do like a little middle pillow action if you want to. Right. That looks cute. All right, y'all, so here's the vibe. It looks really cute and cozy. And like I said, I will eventually change those pillows, but for right now, we're gonna just go with that. Try to set the mood a little bit so y'all can, you know, catch the vibe. But I have my bead garland, I have my candle lit, and then I have some wine here. And this is the Fleur de Mer. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Probably not, but Côtes de Provence. This is a really nice rosé, y'all. I love this. This is my new favorite rosé. If you guys are on lockdown or you just don't want to leave the house, your girl will have a link for you, get it delivered. But yeah, for right now, this is it. And it's really cute. Okay, y'all, so I just got some bad news. I received an email. The email was from Ikea. And they said, because of the COVID, the delivery time has been delayed. And so they went ahead and canceled the order and issued a refund, which the refund, they said, takes up to 14 days to get back, but I don't think it'll take that long. But I was so sad, because I'm just like, what? This is my first time ordering anything from Ikea online. I've never done that before, so I'm just like, now y'all know I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for that shelf and that lamp. Every time I hear a truck outside, I'm running to the window, and I've been doing that for nothing. And this is really upsetting me and my homegirls, because like, we need the shelf. Y'all know the first time that I went looking for that shelf, I went in the Ikea store, and the guy said that they were out of stock and that they wouldn't be restocking until August and they were getting like 18 in. So I guess I'm gonna have to wait for them to restock at Ikea, and I'll just go pick it up myself because I don't have time to be, you know, they playing with my time. But I'm gonna go up there probably today or tomorrow and see if I can just grab the lamp. They didn't have it when I went in there, but I can probably just grab the lamp, and then I'll ask somebody the exact date that shelf will be in, and then I'll be the first one up there. So I'm so sad. And then I ordered a new ring light from Amazon because my old ring light something was wrong with the stand, and it was like something was wrong with it. So I ended up giving that to Kalila. So I mean, it still worked. It just, something was wrong. The stand was real wobbly, and that was just working my last nerve. So I ordered a new one, and they sent the wrong thing. Let me show y'all this foolishness. Like, what am I supposed to do? Y'all ready for this? What am I supposed to do with this? This is not what I ordered. I can't do nothing with this. So they sent me the wrong one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this back. You know, they have the Amazon drop off at Kohl's, so I'm gonna drive up there and take this back. I've already ordered the right one. Hopefully they better send it because I ain't playing with them. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.